Hi, welcome back everyone. This is Matthew Cox. Today I'm going to be reviewing 5 of the best espresso machines. After doing research, I found these espresso machines that are truly the best on the market right now. I've embedded the links to the products in the video description so that you can check them out. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Gaggia Classic Espresso Machine. An Italian classic, this Gaggia Espresso Machine is fully manual. It takes a bit of time to master, but the end result are shots of espresso with exceptional quality. The Gaggia Classic features the same parts that are used in the Italian maker's commercial machines, so it's built to last, so long as you maintain it properly. Overall, an excellent entry into the world of espresso snobbery. Jura F8 Espresso Machine. Buyers who like their espresso drinks with milk foam should have the Jura F8 on the top of their shopping list. The fully automatic espresso machine has intuitive controls via a rotary switch, a large color screen, and clever foam technology that always delivers exceptional results. DeLonghi Pump Espresso Machine. Precision is a vital ingredient to any flavorful brew. Add the final touch with this semi-automatic espresso and cappuccino maker. It comes with a pair of independent thermostats that help you reach consistent results by allowing water and steam pressure to be separately regulated. And thanks to a spacious water reservoir, you can serve yourself up to 10 shots before needing a refill. Plus, a unique self-priming operation cuts down on waiting time, so you can get your caffeine boost quickly. The Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine. Made out of high-grade aluminum, this espresso machine is built to last, staying by your side for many servings. It runs fully automatic. Hands-free grinding, anyone? Meaning less effort on your end, except for mounting and cleaning the portafilter. All you have to do is turn the dial to set the grind amount, and then press start. There are 3 colors to choose from. Minipresso GR Espresso Maker. The Minipresso GR offers the most compact way to experience a quality espresso shot, perfect for on-the-go Java lovers. The espresso maker doesn't need a powerful outlet or a battery in order to work, only access to hot water. Extracting the espresso shot takes place by pressing the gadget's built-in pump.